Good morning folks, welcome to my channel. We're off to Pickering today. We're going to the Black Bull Caravan site. We're taking both as granddaughters with us, and tomorrow we'll be going on the North Yorkshire Moors Railway and we'll go up to Whitby. So hopefully we'll have a good couple of nights away with the grandchildren, and if you want to come along and join us, please feel free. Right, here we are. We've got both travel seats up. We'll turn these back into bench seats when we get back to the Black Bull at Pickering. The girls will be using the two single beds. So they're all set up for the girls. And Karen and me will be sleeping on the drop down bed. You can only come down so far because the seats are up, but me and Karen will be sleeping on there. And Tess will be sleeping down there. So it's going to be a full motorhome this weekend. Right, just wait for the grandchildren to come and then we'll set off to Pickering. We'll catch you when we're there.
You arrive at destination on the right after 350 yards. You have reached your destination on the right.
Black Bull.
Recalculating.
We're nearly there, we're nearly there. Right. Straight down.
Straight down. Right
Straight
at the very,
down the
very,
middle.
very, very top. It's a playground, but it'll be a very wet playground, love, at the minute.
Straight down the middle. Is it all one? Is it one way or a two way?
He didn't say it, but he says just go straight down.
Well, we're on that side anyway. Go around that way.
No, he said just go straight down.
Did he?
Yeah. I'm telling you.
You're going to go in a tent. Got yours ready for you. Yeah. We're going forwards, so we'll have to go forwards.
Let's have a look at which 70's there. That's the next one.
We'll have to go forwards, won't we?
Well, if it does to open up grass into it.
Hello, here we are at the Black Bull Caravan site. This is the actual Saturday, not the Friday, because the Friday it actually rained horribly and downpoured, the ground soddened. We have been into Pickering today, but unfortunately it was that busy on the steam trains and that, and we're having to look after grandkids. We never even got a chance to take any pictures or videos. I'm more scared of them getting lost or pushed off the platform. It was that busy. And we never actually got to Whitby because the train we got on broke down. So the next train would have been later after dinner, which would have made us too late to get back here. So we've had a nice little wander around Pickering, and now we're back at site and grandkids are enjoying themselves. So what I'll do is I'll give you a quick look round and what site's like. It's a very nice site. Just enjoying a bit of sunshine, aren't you? Bit of fresh air. Right, so this little path leads round to the dog walk. Bottom of the dog walk is just a couple of portaloos. The main toilet and shower blocks up at the top of the site. So that's the dog walk. These are the two portaloos, hot water, flushing toilets, etc. Very clean. Yeah, that saves you a long walk up to the top of the site. We're down the bottom of the site, which is near some farmers' fields. So them two toilets save you a long walk up to the top. Quite a good longish dog walk, but you've got to keep your dog on a lead at all times while on site. It's not a fenced off area or anything. Right, so that's looking down the dog walk to where we entered on that little path with the two toilets at the bottom. At the top here you've got your waste bins, your recycling point, and also your chemical waste. There's only one on site, which is right up here, so you need to carry your toilet cassette quite a distance if you're on this side. Go down the bottom end. That's your chemical waste point. So these are your toilet facilities. They're all key code entry and that. So that's gents and that's ladies. You've got your dishwashing area here, which has got 4 sinks. And laundry in here. It's got 2 dryers and 3 washers. It's like it's £3 a wash. Also got air dryers in here, 50p a go. And on site you've got like static caravans as well. I don't know whether you can rent those or whether they're just privately owned. So this is your motorhome service point. You've got your grey waste drain on floor with your drinking water, and also your grey waste. There's only one of those on site, I think. Only one I've seen, which is their grey waste disposal. Your caravans and that. That's the Black Bull pub, which is not owned by the caravan site. It's a different owner, I think. But we never tried a meal in there, so we'll have to try one. We'll definitely come back to this site again. Right, as I leave the main road, past the Black Bull car park, and you drive round and reception is on your left hand side. As you get further in, the road noise gets quieter actually. So that's reception. Once you're checked in, you'll be given the code for the toilet and shower block, and also the entrance barrier, which of course is key code entry. There's only one way in and one way out. Right, as you drive through the barrier, there's no one-way system, so you can go straight down. Turn left, it's just a circular road that comes round. So on your right, you've got some play equipment that grandchildren have been using. And like I say, there's a key code barrier to go out as well. That's it, 11 while 7 I think. It don't work, so if you're not on by 11 o'clock at night, or you want to leave before 7 o'clock, you'd have to see reception. So you've got temperature areas on the right here. One or two have braved the weather last night. And we're walking down to where our motorhome is. You see, it's quite busy. Whether they've all come for that steam gala, I don't sure. I must admit that was a very, very, very busy. I think we made the mistake of fetching grandkids on steam gala weekend. As you can see, there's quite a few fresh water points, drinking water points. But like I say, the only Elson point and grey waste I can see is right near the toilet block at the top of the site. I'm not sure whether people are allowed to put grey waste in the hedgerows. I'm not sure. I suppose I should have asked that question when we booked in. Right, so back to the little path where we started. I went round the dog walk. And we're just round this corner on pitch 70. And we've got a freshwater point just straight outside where we are. Right, so that's a quick tour of the site. Tess is still sunbathing. You're still sunbathing, eh? Spilt your water again, haven't you? Hey? Right, so that's the Black Bull Caravan Park. Nice little place to stop if you want coming up this way. And a good little pub just on the outside of the site. We didn't actually have a meal there. We was advised to go to another one, but we've heard that the Black Bull's a better meal. But we'll come back and we'll try the Black Bull. Right, if you like this video, don't forget to give me the thumbs up. Click that like button please, and it'll help me YouTube share my videos a bit more hopefully. And if you haven't already subscribed and you like my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Right, and click that little notification bell to tell you when I've uploaded some more videos. Anyway, from a nice sunny campsite, Black Bull campsite, we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.